Creation of Mitsubishi's Pajero was suspended last year, and no swap was declared for the brand's Toyota Prado contender, yet late reports have shown the name could be applied for another modest 4x4 fan, worked related to union accomplice Nissan to take on the Suzuki Jimny. It would likewise seem okay for Mitsubishi to collaborate with Nissan to acquire the stage and powertrain of the new age watch to assemble another Pajero, with late reports showing the previous will dump its petroleum V8. Mitsubishi likewise has its Triton-based Pajero Game to fill the enormous rough-terrain SUV hole if when a genuine Pajero replacement surfaces. As per Mr Westcott, the Pajero Game will keep on developing into the future, we will keep on developing into that space, and we will have a Corona item, he said. However, every vehicle of our own and intrinsically equipped for remaining on its own legs as a Corona vehicle, all alone. How we've managed Pajero Sport GSR is hoping to raise your experience, fostering that degree of execution and top end, and that is where the GSR is advancing. Concerning the development name, an identification inseparable from the most elevated performing Mitsubishi models like the Pajero and 10 ages of energetic Lancers, Mr Westcott wouldn't be drawn on any future action. However, with the brand forsaking traveler vehicles, it appears to be possible the go-quick treatment could be applied to SUVs.